Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete call history in Instagram. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. So first, let's open the Instagram app, then tap on Messages at the top right corner, then tap on the camera icon at the top right corner. Here you will see under Calls, tap your recent calls with this person. So to delete the call history of this person, all you're going to do is hold on that call. A menu will pop up, then tap on delete. Keep up in mind that if you want to chat with this person, you will see all the calls and the only way to delete is to delete the entire conversation with that person, which will cost you the whole conversation. So it's up to you at this point. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you.